Hey guys, this is Mo. Alright, so this is a part 2 of how to get instant traffic. So guys, this video is going to be about showing you my results with the first video where I showed you how to get instant traffic. So in the first video I bought 100 clicks, and in this video I'm going to show you the results of these 100 clicks. So let me recap a bit. So the link is still underneath that video, so go check it out, or under or somewhere in the description box. Go check it out. Use my link if you want to get $5 off. So all right, so I bought 100 clicks of him, of Ayub Tuyeb. He sent me 150 clicks right here. So yeah, so yeah, 115 clicks, so I got 114%. All right, so with those clicks he sent me, this is actually everybody that I got. This is everybody that opted in. Opt-in, it means those who put their email to watch my offer. So let me show you. Remember that page? So this is a link I gave to the guy. So he sent my link to his list. So after 115 clicks, I mean, people click on that. They put their email in here to see what's my offer. And once they put their email, boom, they get on this page, and now they can watch my video, this video, and buy or not or whatever. It's only $1, this one. So this is awesome. So I got all those people. It's 48 people. Okay, see here, September 8th. September 8th, yeah. From there, oh, oh my god, sorry, I don't want to show it. Okay, so from there to all the way up there, there's 48 people. Boom. So, and also, I got one sale. He got me one sale, see? A new gold member has arrived. Boom, September 8th. So he made me a sale. So the gold members stay in your pay line, pay you $20 per month for their product, for the product purchase. Plus you earn 50% match bonus from their entire pay line. So see, of this 100 clicks, I even got one sale that's gonna pay me $20 per month, each month, plus 50% of his pay line if this person decides to use the affiliate thing and everything like I do. This is crazy. This is crazy. And like you see, and how much did that thing cost me? It cost me what, 45 bucks? So 45 bucks to get 115 clicks. That's crazy. And see, out of that I got one sale already. One sale already. So after 2 months, no, 3 months, well, after 45 bucks, yeah, 2 months, I'm in my money. That's crazy. And also, I got 48 opt-ins. 48 people. 48 people. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Yeah. 48 new people in my list. And let me show you. Let's go in there. This is the email I'm sending them. So on day 0, so the day they opt in, the day they subscribe to my email list, this is the first email they're gonna get. Let me show you. The first email says, "Welcome to Cash Funnel. This $1 strategy is epic. Fast start setup video." So this is gonna be the link for the video. They're gonna go to watch the video, and if they want to buy it, they're gonna buy it. Because like I said in the previous video, most people don't buy the first time they see an offer. I mean, 90% of the people, first time you see an offer, they don't buy it. They want to know more about it. They want to know more about you. They want to know more, you know? So this is why you need an email list, because an email list it's where the money is. When they say that the money is in the list, this is the list. Right? So I got me 48 people in my list already. That's crazy, guys. All right, so I made one sale. Yeah. Let me go back here. All right, so let me rate that guy. So I got sales. Let me give him 5-star. Optional comment. Fast delivery. Fast delivery. 48 opt-ins. And one sale. Yep. So this is the rating I'm gonna leave him, because this is exactly what happened. So if you guys want to go buy off that Ayub to Yeb, check out the link somewhere around this video. You're gonna get $5 off. So if I pay $45, you're gonna pay $40. That's even better. All right, so I'm gonna publish this. Boom. So now anybody that clicks on him, they're gonna see everything about him. Okay, no, this is see, most of my clicks are from the United States. Well, actually, 100% of the clicks are from the United States. That's crazy. That's even better. That's even better. Anyways, let me go back on him. Can I go back on? Yeah. So now, when you gonna go on this profile, you can choose how many clicks you want. Oh, $43. I paid $43. So with the $5 off, if you choose my click, if you choose to use my link, you're gonna pay the $38 for 100 click. This is where I put my link and everything. You click allow the seller to sell to start traffic delivery earlier than schedule. So in that case, okay, it's for tomorrow. Okay, wow, I'm not gonna buy it right now. I'm just showing you guys. And you can choose prime filter, blah blah blah. You can read all this, and then you can see. Ooh, I'm here. Fast delivery, 48 opt-in. Got sales. Ooh, I got he delivered 150 clicks, 115 clicks. When I bought 100 clicks, this is crazy. Even Kevin, the guy before me, see, out of 115 clicks, he got sales. This guy also got sales, 350 clicks. Sales. Wow, almost everybody gets sales. So guys, if you want to try this guy right now, use my link. His name is Ayub Tuyem. He's from Turkey. Alright guys, so I think this is it for this video. So guys, if you want to use my link to get $5 off, check out the link around this video. And also if you want to if you want to use, I mean, if you're looking for something good, good offer, something done for you and everything, check out this link over here. It's gonna be the dollar funnel or the cash now funnel. I'm gonna leave the link underneath or somewhere in the description box. Put your email in, then you're gonna go see this video. The fastest way to make money now.
Hello and welcome. It's Frank.
It's a 15-minute video. It costs only $1. A dollar funnel that breaks the online income model. And I'm telling you guys, this is crazy. It works. See, I already make a sale. So guys, go check it out. All right. If you like that video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and everything. You know what to do. You know what to do. All right. So see you in the next video. All right. Peace.